So welcome Wade, welcome Bob. I
Thanks.
thought we could start off and you could tell us a little bit about Large Animal and what you've been showing off here at Google I/O.
Sure. So Large Animal is an independent game developer and publisher. We're based out of New York City. We've been in business for 8 years. We've always kind of focused on casual online games, and lately our focus is on social network games. What we've been showing off here is a game demo that we built with O3D. So it's a side-scrolling platformer in the tradition of Super Mario Brothers and Sonic and other platformers like that. The bigger picture of the game, when it's finished and ready to launch into the world, is that it will be integrated into social networks, and every level of this infinite journey will be one that's been designed and customized by one of your friends on the social network. So
very cool. So Bob, I'm curious. You've been at I/O for 2 days now. What kind of interesting feedback and comments have you gotten about the game, and what have you learned here at I/O?
Yeah, a lot of people are surprised it's playing in a browser. They'll ask us if it was Unity or just other stuff. They're just amazed at the graphics we're able to get and the frame rates we're able to get. So
awesome. Any new technologies, things you've heard about, just happenstance at I/O that you're sort of thinking about how you can use in the future?
Sure. Well, I was pretty psyched about Wave, and I think
cool stuff.
I was just immediately imagining how we would use it in the office to collaborate. Yeah. So that that's pretty cool. We're putting together a little blog, Large Animal blog, just to put information about this Infinite Journey project, kind of concept art and video. And so at the keynote on Wednesday, they showed the ability to just drop a little Friend Connect chat window, copy and paste into it. So we did that on the blog. We put that on the blog, and we're going to release that in the next week or so, just to kind of get a conversation going with other developers and get people's feedback. So we're excited about that.
So I guess along those lines, moving forward, so you're creating a blog for the app. What else? What are the next steps for Large Animal and Infinite Journey in this space, working with O3D?
Sure. Well, so the next step for us is to integrate it with Open Social, so that we can put the game into MySpace. We'll integrate with the Facebook API, put it into Facebook and other open social containers, so that we can do the kind of social graph connectivity that I mentioned. And the business model would be virtual goods within that world, so people could buy special objects that make their level super special, that let them tag their friends' levels as they're playing through them, give them special abilities within the world. So, and we're talking with potential investors to help us raise the money to undertake that bigger project. But we think with 3 or 4 months of full-time work, we can do something amazing that will really advance the state of social network games.
All right, so great. Well, it sounds like it's been a great couple of days for you. Any parting words of wisdom or thoughts on I/O or O3D?
I/O is a great conference. People should definitely come out to it. You learn
Thanks
a lot
for the
of good
phone.
stuff.
Thanks for the phone, of course.
Yeah.
Probably getting that a lot right now.
Yeah.
All right, great. Well, thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks for having us.